Late season crops, these are the ones that love the hottest part of our year. Okay. And I know so many people, they just quit gardening like in July. And people will run into me and they'll be like, oh, you're still gardening? And I'm like, yeah, we're still eating. So you find things that will adapt to your climate, and that's what you focus on and grow. So 3 to 4 weeks before moving outdoors, I like to put most of these late season crops in pretty much around now in May. Like May 15th is maybe the latest I'll get these in the ground. And that's so that they have enough time to grow. All of our winter squashes we do in the hottest part of the year. We focus our summer squashes on that early spring where it's kind of nice and gentle hot outside. The winter squashes can take the super hot, our watermelon and cantaloupe. And then we're going to direct seed okra, yard-long green beans, which most people are not familiar with. And it's crazy because they're such an amply producing green bean. They love the heat. They're a member of the cowpea family, so they do taste a little bit different from a traditional green bee. But I don't even plant more than like 8 of these plants because they're so prolific. You're going to have more green beans than you know what to do with. The cowpeas or dried beans are really popular in the South. And then again, your corn, and then also peanuts and sweet potatoes. Those are all things that love the hottest part of the year. So like, look, this is this giant list of things that we can be growing in the hottest part of the year when everybody's quitting. Yeah. So, and this is what it looks like in the garden. You can see there's some dead corn over here that I'm just waiting to harvest. You can see cucumbers that are dying on the vine over here because cucumbers don't like that really hot weather. Yeah. But the watermelon's doing great. There's a bunch of okra in the back that's doing great. So
yeah, our okra went through early September, and then we were like, okay, we're done.
Yeah. What is it you said before we got started about okra? It's a confidence boosting plant. Yes, I love that.
Because that'll grow like wildfire in Texas.
Yeah, if you want to grow something that will make you feel like give you some confidence that
the
you can.
The tomatoes for me have also been a confidence booster. Yeah, so. Yeah. Not the heirloom ones are a little more complicated.
They are. They're a little bit finicky.
Yeah.